Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing one of my favorite treats, my soft, spongy, absolutely delicious eggless chocolate cupcakes. No one ever believes these are made without eggs, and once you try them, you'll understand why. They are moist, chocolatey, and the batter comes together in just 5 minutes. So let's get started with this yummy treat. In a mixing bowl, I'm adding 1/3 cup of yogurt, 1/3 cup of oil, half a cup of sugar, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give everything a good mix. You'll see it turn into a smooth, thin batter. You can use an electric mixer if you prefer, but the mixture is easy to combine, so I'm whisking it by hand. Now I'm adding the dry ingredients. 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it gently, and you'll notice the batter becoming thick and rich. To bring it to the perfect cake consistency, I'm adding half a cup of milk. Add the milk gradually, not all at once. Sometimes you don't need all the milk, so stop as soon as your batter looks smooth and ready. The mixture is quite thick, so mix it for a bit longer. For a richer chocolate flavor, feel free to add chocolate chips or chocolate sprinkles. And just like that, our cupcake batter is done. Now I'm filling my muffin tray using an ice cream scoop. This helps every cupcake get the same amount of batter, so they bake evenly and look beautiful. These go into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Once they're done, check with a toothpick. If it comes out clean, they're ready. And look at these cupcakes. No one would ever guess these are eggless. Perfectly baked, soft, moist, and so chocolatey. The smell is unbelievable. I honestly just want to eat them right away. To make them even more creamy and chocolatey, I'm adding my homemade buttercream chocolate frosting. It's so easy to make and tastes amazing. If you want the recipe for this frosting, comment below and I'll share it with you. My cupcakes are ready and my kids are already waiting to grab one. Trust me, once you try these, you're going to fall in love with them too. I'm going to enjoy one right now. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next recipe.